Ordering your custom gown with Brides Tailor is a straightforward process. This is how it is done. Step 1. It starts with knowing your preferred dress style: ball gown, trumpet, mermaid, etc. Whether it's a dress style that you've tried on at a bridal shop, or a design inspired by gowns you've seen on Pinterest, Instagram, etc., we can create the perfect one for you. After you send us your design request through the Send Us Your Own Design form on the website, you'll be receiving the price quote and process details from our bridal consultant within 24 hours approximately. Make sure you also check the Others tab or junk folder too, since some emails end up there. For custom wedding dresses based on your own ideas, we can even sketch the dress and color it for you, so you can visualize it before it gets created. After choosing the payment method that fits your budget, 50% down, affirm, full payment, etc., you will be receiving instructions regarding your order's invoice. After placing the order, you'll get our detailed measurements guide, so you can get measured at a local tailor/seamstress in your area for accurate measurements. If you are just reordering a dress which we've previously created from our wedding dresses section on the website, you will need to choose the option that says, "Send me the measurements guide after I place the order," from the options that pop up when you add the dress to cart. A few days after your order is placed, custom orders, you will be receiving photos of relevant lace patterns plus our color chart, so you can choose the ones you want us to use for your gown. Throughout the process, we will be updating you with progress photos to show you the paper pattern, the lace applique pattern, and other important steps that lead to the final result. After your dress is completely finished, you'll be receiving the final staging photos, which will definitely make your day. This is the stage where we get ready for shipping the dress to you, or scheduling your final fitting if you are a local bride and want to have the final fitting with us. We know it sounds complicated, but we're here for you every step of the way. Let's create magic.